Hello, people, and welcome to the story after 18. Here are some of the mistakes that I made during my preparation, and I'm also giving out some of the tips that I wish I knew before. If I could go back and start my preparations, here are the few things that I would do differently. Number one, don't follow people blindly. Say your school, coaching institute, and maybe your colleges might say that just trust us blindly and you're gonna get it, but that's not how it works, because in the end of the day, everybody is just trying to market themselves, and your job is not to stay loyal to the platform, but you should learn. If you're not understanding from one teacher, change the teacher. If one app isn't working, change the app. If your method isn't working, change the method. In the end, you should just learn the concept and you should be confident about whatever you're learning. Number two, study smart, not long. I used to think that more hours means automatically more progress, but that's not how it works. Also, 4 hours of focused studying can beat 10 hours of distracted studying. Quality always beats quantity. And also, I used to make these small flashcards and everything, thinking that I can revise them. So instead of focusing on whatever the topic I'm learning, I used to be more focused on making those flashcards or writing down the stuff whatever was being taught, thinking that yes, if I'm doing this, I can revise it again later, and then obviously I'll be no more progressed than anything else. But that's not how it works. I was just so fool to do that because I used to write and do everything. I was not focused on whatever I'm writing, and then I would never go back to those notes. I would again make another notes, thinking that yes, I'll do this, and it was just a loop that carried me forward. And in the end, it wasn't focused learning. Yes, making flashcards help only if you're studying from it. And now there are literally so many platforms where you can literally get your flashcards without even having to write down anything or work on it. There are some of the apps, I'm gonna list them down, maybe in the description. Check them out. Number three, don't make your studies your entire personality. Trust me, don't do that. Yes, preparation is very, very important because that's literally your life changing exam. But living is also as important as preparation. Go for a walk, maybe play a sport, go to swim, hang out with your friends, whatever it is, do. Because if your entire life revolves around the same academic life, you are gonna lose it eventually. Having a life outside studies actually makes your studying life healthier. Number four, don't compare your journey. Everyone have a different method of studying, and some might finish a chapter really quick and you might be slower, but you are also gonna get there. Just because someone else is doing it faster, don't think that you are, not enough or you're not doing right way, because yes, everybody's brain is different and everybody's life is different. So go with your own pace. Keep your competition healthy, not toxic. The only competition that matters is if you were better than yesterday or not. Number five, and the most important thing, is keep things simple. So let's say there's a concept from maths, maybe integration. And if you see YouTube and Instagram and everything, you can see a lot of reels that says that integration is deadly, it's very difficult. Oh my god, it's so scary and all. And even if the concept is not that level of difficult, sometimes your brain gets influenced by these videos. Like, things just gets so intimidating and it just all gets complicated, even though the thing is simple and maybe you are capable of understanding it. Just because of this influence, you might not be, completely focused to understand the topic. I mean, obviously, everything felt difficult before starting, right? Stop getting intimidated by these videos and everything, and don't let that influence you. Even the teachers. Chill matters more than collecting sources. I used to do this mistake a lot. Like, I would learn something from one book, and then instead of going through the same book for learning the same concept, I would choose some other source to learn the same thing. And I would just keep on doing that, and everything would be so confusing and difficult. Instead of doing that, just Pick one source for one concept, and if you're not, understanding it, just go through it again and again with the same resource, not some other source. Repeat it again and again. Revision really matters. It's gonna, stick in your brain forever. Mistakes are data, not failures. And this is not applicable for your final exams. But yeah, whatever preparatory or whatever mock test you're giving, make sure that you consider that as a step more than a failure, because you still have time for a final exam. It's not like the end of the world. So if you're getting some less marks in your mocks, analyze whatever you're doing wrong and just correct it. Because that's the only reason why we are giving mocks, right? Like, that's the whole point. So instead of getting demotivated and giving up on your entire exam, or losing your focus, just think that it's just a mock and make sure you learn from. As someone wise already said, it's all about the journey, not the destination. By the way, thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully this video is gonna help you figure out whatever you're going through. Thank you. Bye bye.